Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can delete your Google account. I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. In order to delete your Google account, what you need to do is first of all, you need to open up the Google application. After you open up your Google, in the top right corner, you'll be able to see a profile icon. Click on it. And if you have a multiple account logged into your device, then this is what the interface is going to look like. From here, you'll need to select the Google account that you want to delete. So just click on it and you have switched your Google account. So once again, do the same procedure. Click on the profile icon, and as soon as you click on the profile icon, what you need to do is you need to click on this option that is Google account, and then you'll be directed to the info page. Now on this page, you can see under your email address or your Google account, you can see there are a list of options. You need to click on data and privacy option. So once you click on data and privacy, you need to scroll down, and right in between there is an option as delete your Google account. Click on it. So for the verification purpose, you need to enter in the password associated with this Google account. So type in the password. Once you're done verifying, you need to go through all of these reminders. So make sure to go through all of these information as you're deleting your Google accounts. Along with that, your Gmail account as well as your YouTube account and your contacts, or all of the information will be erased or will be deleted. Once you're done with this process, you need to check mark on this terms and condition, and then click on delete account, which will be in the bottom right corner of your screen. As soon as you click on delete account, once again you'll be asked for the confirmation, and if you're sure about deleting account, you need to click on delete your Google account. So keeping in mind that once you delete your Google account, you'll not be able to restore it, and also deleting your Google account means deleting all of your information, data. So that is how you can delete your Google account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.